Daytime Auto. We're going to stay on the health and fitness topic, and our next guest, it's hard to believe, used to have a very unhealthy lifestyle. She was overweight. She was a junk food junkie as well, but she turned her life around. She's going to share that story with us. We're joined by Gloria Schwartz. She's a personal trainer, author of Personal Best, Train Your Brain and Transform Your Body for Life. Welcome to the show. Great to have you here, Gloria. Now, walk us through, because I look at this person I see today, and you're in fabulous shape, but it wasn't always that way. Tell us a little bit about your lifestyle early on.
Well, it took me about 40 years to get into fitness.
Right.
It was a long process, but in my early 40s, I decided I had to change some things in my life. Small steps. I was addicted to junk food, as you mentioned. There wasn't a drive-through that I didn't drive through.
Really?
I ate junk food, donuts at work every day at the office. People brought me donuts. Just a whole culture of bad behaviors. And I was very sedentary, too.
Right.
And so what was sort of your Oprah aha moment, if you will?
Yeah, it was a few different things happened in my early 40s. Serious health issues that I had to come face to face with.
Right.
And I realized that if I didn't do something about it, nothing was going to get better. So I decided to take a few small steps, and before I knew it, it sort of snowballed, and my whole life changed for the better, physically and mentally.
Yeah, and that's one thing that you say. I mean, you have a big focus on training your brain. Can you explain what you mean by that?
Yeah, because a lot of the books that are out there now are diet books. So don't eat sugar, don't eat carbs, don't eat gluten, don't eat fat, whatever it is. Diets don't really work because they don't set you up for success in the long haul. So what I've done is I've come up with all kinds of strategies that worked for me. And I'm a trainer, so now, which I wasn't before. So things I've learned over the last few years with all kinds of clients with different issues, all kinds of strategies that will work, that are practical, that aren't gimmicks, quick fixes, or diets.
Right.
So you want to be successful for your whole life, not lose weight and regain it all back.
It's refreshing to hear. And you're going to put us through a workout, but before we get to that, because we have 2 segments with you, we're going to come back from a break in just a moment and do a workout. But you have sort of 7 steps that you talk about in the book. Can you share, what's the beginning? Because you said you started doing little things. What were the little things that you started with?
Okay, well, one of the first things is to figure out where are you mentally.
Right.
How prepared and committed are you to change? And I really don't believe you have to change everything at once. Because if you try and go on a very strict diet or spend hours and hours at the gym every day, you're going to fall off the wagon and just drop it all. So you really have to figure out where are you and what kind of tips and strategies can you engage in that will help you move forward. So one of my main points in the 7-point plan for success is really how to think about where you are today, what obstacles are holding you back, and how can you change from stopping when you face an obstacle to overcoming it.
All right, well, I want everyone to keep that in mind as we go to break, and we're going to come back with Gloria Schwartz, author and personal trainer, right after this with some great workout tips, and we'll tell you about her book launch as well at a pretty interesting location. We'll be back with that right after this.